Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 13. If an increase in the price of crude oil led to an increase in the prices of kerosene and grease, then kerosene and grease are in A. Joint supply, B. Competitive supply, C. Market supply, D. Composite supply. So we have various types of supply given to us in the options. So let's define each of them and see which one fits this scenario we have in the question. Now option A, which is joint supply, occurs when two or more commodities are produced and supplied from one source or raw material. So for example, you have petrol and kerosene from crude oil. So this is where you see joint supply. Now option B is competitive supply, and it refers to when many commodities are supplied for the satisfaction of a particular want. For example, meat and fish. So meat and fish are both supplied for the satisfaction of a particular want. Now option C, market supply, is not a type of supply. It is not a type of supply. And then option D, which is composite supply, refers to when a commodity can serve two or more purposes. Refers to the supply seen in a commodity that can serve two or more purposes. Now, from what we have seen here and in the question, we are seeing that the price of crude oil, increase in price of crude oil, led to increase in prices of kerosene and grease. Now kerosene and grease are both obtained from crude oil. That means kerosene and grease are gotten from the same source or from the same raw material, and that is what we saw when we looked at joint supply. So joint supply are in option joint supply is option A. So kerosene and grease are in joint supply. So option A, joint supply, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.